Ba't ba nauso tong online shopping na to? Hindi kaya VHS to. Welcome to my channel. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This guy messaged me saying he's in town and wants to meet up. Sabi ko, hindi ko na siya maalala. Focusing on myself, on my life. Though we haven't met, we just talked for a while. Kasi hindi ko na nga alam kung ano nangyari. Or baka ako yung ghost. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Ayaw niyang i-remind kung sino siya. Hindi naman ako masyadong mahilig mag-save ng mga number. Lalo na kung hindi naman tayo magkakilala lang for a very long time. So, save me the hassle of remembering you for a very long time. Sabi ko, I don't meet up with strangers. So, wala ka dyan. Kumain na ako ng first meal of the day. At 4 p.m. That's the right thing to do. Kung gusto mong lumala yung sakit mo. Lubos ko isang buong bowl full of rice. Tapos yung ulam pa namin, adobo. Trigger for GERD, as in G-E-R-D. GERD. That's gastro. Ewan ko, basta that's next level acid reflux. It hurts. It hurts here. Kasalanan ko to, alam ko naman, pero teka lang. Okay lang yan. That's why I always have medicine in my bag. Tchanan! Minsan, pag todong-todo, tchanan! Double action. Don't mind the kalat behind me. Kailangan ko lang mag-unbox just to get this out of the way para isang ligpitin na lang. Let's unbox some deliveries again. Girl, bakit ba tayo? Ba't ba nauso tong online shopping na to? In my defense, I just buy necessities. Really, necessities. Such as tape measure. Necessity ba to? Oo. This is a necessity kasi ay, ang dumi, B. Why? Yung. At saka, tape measure, nag-start sa 2. Bakit? Ang laki pa nyo. Number 2. Girl. It's a powder something. Diba? May baby pa. Kaya nga, ang init ngayon. So, it's just right na maglagay ka ng baby powder. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Baby pa rin tayo. Chari! So, you put the powder there. Ganon. So, okay, we're gonna keep this. Oh, kasi nga, di ba, in my last vlog, nabasag yung mirror ko. It's a bit magnifying, and the other one is normal view. So, going back, dun sa sinabi ko nga na may GERD ako. So, part of taking care of yourself when you have GERD is that I shouldn't wear tight clothing, especially around the belly area. Kasi parang that's why I bought this adjustable button thing. You put the spring sa button ng skirt, pants, shorts mo. And then it expands like that. And this acts like the second button. That's how it works. That's the haul for today. When you order on Shopee, confirm that you have received the item, diba? Don't forget to rate it. Because when you rate it, there's a chance that you can earn 20.3 coins. I was able to have it approved. Ayan o. Focus, man. Focus. Ayan. Binigyan nila ako ng 20.3 coins. O, diba? The more you shop, the more discounts you get. Meron pa. Gusto niyo pa ng tip. Siyempre, as an unemployed girly, for the tipid na tayo, kinat ko na yung postpaid account ko. Sa bahay lang naman ako. I don't go out as often anymore. So, may wifi ako lagi. I don't text anyone aside from the Shopee riders. Kuya, wait lang. So, yun na nga. Ang point ko, minsan lang ako mag-load. So, as a tipid girly, yung load ko, piso lang. Gusto mo yun? Pisong load. Nalaman ko lang yun sa pinsan ko eh. Si Shopee, naglalabas sila ng promo every 12 noon, 6 p.m., and 12 midnight ng piso load. And yung piso load na yon sa Globes, equivalent to Go 59. And Go 59 is equivalent to 3 days na only internet and only text. May countdown. Susundan ko lang yan. Midnight or 12 noon, na-check out mo na siya. Ganon. Paunahan kayo. Kasi kung hindi, natatry ko yun minsan. Nandyan siya. Nandyan yung 1 peso. Tapos biglang pag-check out ko, wala na. Ubus na daw. Ganon. Feeling ko kailangan ko talaga ng tipid tips na what do you think? What do you think? I'll tell you my secrets. My secrets. Bakit naman hindi ko i-share sa inyo? I like sharing my lahat. Yun. Hindi ko naman siya i-gatekeep. Anong rason kung ba't ko siya kailangan i-gatekeep kung makakatulong naman sa ibang tao? Hindi ko naman ikakabawas yun as a person. If you have the mentality of a very selfish person, you're living a very sad life. Masarap kaya sa pakiramdam na nakakatulong ka sa kapwa mo. Hindi ba? Am I right? Manari, they're doing better in life. They're succeeding in whatsoever field in life. Or advice or help paano makapunta sa ganong level. Tapos, may mga tao na sasagot na, wala ka dyan. Gawin mo mag-isa mo. Figure out mo yung mag-isa mo. Ginapang ko to. Dapat ikaw rin. Ayoko ng ganun. Parang ang mean naman kasi ng ganong, kahit hindi ka nalang makatulong sa ibang tao, na kaya ka nga nilagay dyan sa posisyon na yan. Kasi, siguro, para may matulungan kang ibang tao. It's like you're being used as a vessel or as an instrument to help other people. Sarap kaya sa feeling ng ganun. Tapos, i-gatekeep mo lang. Okay, what's wrong with you? Kung ganun. That's a very bad mentality. It's a very bad energy. You wish people the worst things to happen to them. But parang, it's so wrong. Do not wish bad things to other people. Wow. Shopee lang itong pinag-uusapan natin. Regardless of your religion, atheist ka man o hindi, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Basta ang akin lang. Be a good person. Wala namang bayad yun eh. Look at the world now. Full of greed. Ayun. Anyway, I'm gonna share what I can share, what I wanna share. Kasi magtira rin naman ako sa sarili ko ng konting privacy. Thank you for following. Then, kaka-upload ko lang kasi ng vlog. So, thank you. Means a lot. Alam mo, kahit pa isa-isa lang yan. So, minsan na may nagpo-follow sa akin. So, thank you. Thank you for following me. Ano-ano lang ina-upload ko. So, as a very random person, wala, just enjoy. I'm just happy doing what I like. So, be happy and do what you love doing. Di ko kayo i-judge. Depende na lang. Hello. I'm not sure if all Aquariuses are like this, but I always, hindi naman always, okay, often, I often get this feeling of deleting my social media account, going off grid for a while, and then just return like nothing happened. I'm hiding all my videos on TikTok because I just want it. Grabe naman. I think this is the most number of subscribers I got upon uploading one video in less than 24 hours. Thank you guys for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to my channel.
Ano pa lang ano ba? Trust the process.
We just sold something again. Magbabayad na ulit ng credit card. Let's pack it. Scotch tape. Hello?
Kain na ako sa kapitbahay. Hindi.
And see? It's giving 90s. Shred ribbon into art. Oh my god! Merry Christmas! Metallic tones or rose/melon tones. Turquoise periwinkle. Ang luma na nito. I just realized. Hindi kaya VHS to. Instructional video. So, I'm assuming na ito ay isang VHS. And if you're a Gen Z, hindi ka pa nakakita ng VHS and you do not know what a VHS is, girl, this is the mother of your Netflix. No, actually, great-great-grandmother of your Netflix. So, mag-rewind, ikot-ikot kang ganun. Ito ang tinatawag nating VHS, Jurassic. Pero masaya to. May pakatalog si ante. Naubos yung mga safety pin ko. And I need just one more. So I checked and found a sewing kit I got from my hotel in Vietnam. Syempre, I checked. Usually, they have buttons, threads, needles, and of course, safety pin. Ay, unboxing na naman. Honestly, hindi ako sure kung gusto ko pa to, pero another table. It's sweet. A refill for my air freshener I got the lavender scent. Nakakatawa yung lalagyan niya. Pero mabango to. I'll put this in my bathroom. Because you know how much this is? This is just 12 pesos for this whole bottle. I bought a more durable curtain rod holder. Necessities. Bye. Wait till you see this one. Oo, ikaliligaya ko to. Kasasaya ko to. It's a flower vase. Siyempre, hindi mo ma-appreciate wala pa akong flower eh. Ito, it's plastic. A Korean brand. Oy, ito freebie. Ito yung freebie. Jumiso Blackhead Melting Softener. Hindi naman perfect ang skin ko. I do get blackheads and whiteheads. Stuff like that. Remember, invest on skincare more than makeup. Ako lang naman yan. I don't wanna worry about signature bags. So, kailangan natin ng pangharabas na bag. That's why I bought this one. It's not so baggy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So, on both sides, meron pa siyang zipper. Ay, putik, natanggal. Yung maliit kong water bottle kasi dito. Like, 185 pesos from TikTok shop. Ayoko ng canvas because when I'm wearing black, kung nagkakaroon ng mark, so you don't like marks. Uy. Uy.
Parang ikaw yun, ma'am. Ikaw ang Alda ba lang? Happy ba yung Mother's Day niya? Nakakainis.
I was alone. Mas alam ko pa yun kesa yung sa Aldab eh.
Lampasar, yan yung pinarin nilang ingay.
Kaya nga sabi ko, masaya ba yung Mother's Day nyo? Kami kumakanta dun.
Hindi pag-upag yun. Hindi ganito. Pwede rin.
Pwede rin yun.
Ito yung mga connector, ma'am, para sa house natin, para sa floor.
Hala, ang dami mo ng audience, kuya.
But the 3,460 ang targeting ko.
May is ba? May additional pa yun? Points lang. Ah, points lang? May ganun din eh. Kung may smack ka, may points din naman. Same.
Kasi maliliit. Ikaw wala ka gusto dito.
Ngayon.
Alam mo, sa Amerika, yung pinibili namin na turkey na ganito, ang nipis-nipis.
Gusto mo ba mag-grocery na o yung kailangan mo na bread?
Ayoko yung nagmamadali na nag-grocery. Sa'yo niya.
Dami ko pang noodles.
Timer tayo ng 1 hour. Para after 1 hour, let's try to put some water. Kung lalamig. Hindi ko masyadong ma-differentiate because medyo malamig yung hangin eh from my window. So, this is just number 1. Let's try number 2. Not so bad. Lakas din. Please don't mind the mess because I'm still rearranging stuff in my room. Ito, medyo madami akong ina-unbox. There's more to come. Sorry. Time to check kung nalamig kapag may water lang. Water lang, wala mo ng ice. Hassle pag sa baba ko ilalagay. So, let's just put this from the top. Not from the top. Check. Okay. It's all going down. It's going down, down. Kasi may mga butas siya. So, uy. Hindi ko alam kung psychological lang yan or what. Pero, hindi ko pa pinipindot yung cooling. I haven't pressed the cool effect yet. But the wind that's blowing out from the fan feels cool. In fairness Love Iwata. Not so bad. Number 2. Actually, kanina mainit na yung buga ng hangin. Naka-fan lang siya. Mainit because the room is hot. Uy, in fairness, lumalamig talaga. Hindi pa naka-on yan. Actually, hindi naman ako mareklamo. Sobra naman tong yung init kasi in Manila is too much, you know? For the igib tayo yan. Ang lamig! Ang lamig! I love it.